Welcome back to the channel everybody, Mr. BBBear here with a brand new unboxing video of the iPhone XS Max. Starting with the front of the box, you have the iPhone XS showing off its brand new wallpaper design, having just launched on the 21st of September this year. On the side, just like any iPhone unboxing, you have the plain iPhone text on the side, and on the top you have the Apple logo. Now looking at the back of the box, you have all the specs of the phone, which the one I have here is the silver 256GB model. As well, looking inside the box, you will find the general manuals alongside the classic Apple stickers. As well, it comes with the SIM injection tool, and that's all. Now looking at the iPhone XS Max, it just looks super clean. However, the accessories that you get inside the box is just the plain old standard headphones with no fast charger, only the 5-watt adapter and the general cable. And you don't even get the adapter inside, and this is super sad as we are paying a lot for this device. Now looking at the aesthetics of the device, it is very similar to the design of the iPhone X, only with a small change to its bottom, not having the speaker and microphone grills symmetrical to one another. However, I can live with that. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.